Guava. It's French. What is good, YouTube? Today we're gonna do a sneaker cleaning tutorial, but first, before we begin, make sure you grab a nice cup filled with some ice, fresh ice preferably, and a guava juice drink. I'm gonna open this. Actually not bad. 100% vitamin C. Always make sure that you have this before you start any cleaning tutorial. I'm just gonna put this over here for totally non-advertisement purposes. Okay, start drinking. Step 2, step 3, start tasting. Combined with smell test. This is actually really nice. I'm surprised. Okay. Yeah, I think I'm ready. I'm gonna put this over there because I don't want to get that dirty. Now, make sure you grab a bowl of clean water, your sneaker cleaning solution. In this case, I have Rejuvenator. Knock it over because we don't care about it. Soft brush, medium brush, and a stiffy brush. Put that aside. You're gonna need a bunch of clean cloths. By the way, this is a shoe mic. Hello, don't copy our idea. All right. I actually stole this idea from the film crew that I kind of fired the other day. They were just annoying me, making me nervous. Ooh, what am I doing? And you need a pair of dirty shoes. In this case, I have one of my customers' pair of Louis Vuitton, Louis Vuitton, Vuitton, and it's an all-white leather upper. The stitching, you can see, it's actually kind of dirty, so we're gonna make sure that we're gonna get that clean. The laces are a little dirty. I like the flower design. It's pretty cool. Got some toe crease issue there, no biggie. A little bit of scuff marks on the leather. That's normal. Just make sure that the customer knows that I didn't do this after cleaning. Okay. Aside from admiring the stupid floral prints on the shoe, like what I just did, this is the basic package cleaning of mine, so my customer's okay with it because she's cheap. She only wants the midsoles, the uppers, and the laces cleaned, and I told her that, hey, leather is already waterproof. My package actually does include water repellent treatment. Do you want that on? She's like, it's included. I told her, yeah. She's like, of course, spray it all over. As you're cleaning the shoe, make sure you stuff the toes and leave the stuffing in the shoe so it maintains that shape. But if you're familiar with the hot iron method, go ahead, do that. Just make sure you do it safely. Don't freaking iron your clothes and lose focus. Where's my Rejuvenator freaking solution? Let's start dripping some in here. I always put too much. And grab your guava. Drink. Oh, by the way, you guys know about the Air Jordan 4's Guava Ice that came out last year? Yeah, I made fun of that, and this is what this is for. I'm basically making fun of that again. Guava Ice. Is it nice? This is nicer than the Air Jordan 4 Guava Ice. Let's start cleaning. Actually, no, we need a shoe tree. Where's my shoe trees? I actually don't know. You know what? If you don't have shoe trees, it is all good. I'm gonna protect my clothes. Grab your cloth, start stuffing the toes like so. I'll do the left one because it's less dirtier. Grab your soft bristle brush, start twirling it around in here to get that bubbliness. And I'm gonna do a quick inspection to make sure that there's no other things that I should worry about before I start cleaning. Yeah, it's all good. All right, shake off this crap off the brush. Start testing an area. Clean the flour first. In this case, actually, it's pretty foamy. So I'm going to save my solution and not put any more into that bowl. Now I'm going to work the entire shoe while leaving the laces on, because in this case, this lace and the shoe is actually all white. So I'm actually not concerned of any potential color transferring. bleeding. There's no suede on this shoe, so this is actually all good. And also because I'm lazy, I don't want to remove the laces because of this. The way they laced it is just so... That's why you need a freaking apron. So I'm not gonna cut this part because I really want you guys to get a good idea how long it takes to do this particular sneaker. First round with a soft brush. You're just trying to get rid of the surface dirt, some of the loose crap off of the shoes. You're not actually detailing at this point. Don't be afraid to hit the midsoles. And the Louis Vuitton gold 24 fake K gold little logo there. And of course the tongue. All right, let's just clean Paris up. Okay. All right. This is actually too much. Start patting the shoe dry. In this case, just, yeah. Put this brush aside because it stinks. Grab your medium brush, dunk it in there, shake off a lot, and actually start using this brush to do the second phase of cleaning. You don't have to go crazy putting too much pressure. Even though this is leather, it's not gonna damage it. But make sure you be careful of the flour. Now I'm gonna go over the entire shoe again. This is actually good because I can actually target the laces, and the brush is definitely gonna do suds everywhere. It don't matter. All right, watch me go. Oh yeah, this is just fun. Okay, don't know what to talk about. All right, cool. Dip some more in there, and this time I'm gonna focus more on the stitching because you want to get that cleaner. That is the trick to making this shoe poppin'. Having whiter looking stitches, whiter looking shoelaces. Actually, this shoe is not that dirty to begin with, so this is gonna be an easy clean. All right, once that's good, just dry this flour. All right, just dry it up. Dry this up good. Don't forget to smell the flour. We're done with this. Grab a stiffy brush, put it in the solution, shake it off again, and this time clean the laces with the, no, don't be a dum-dum. Clean the midsoles only with the stiff brush. Try not to target the leather, even though it's not gonna actually damage it. Just target the midsoles. I'm actually gonna be careful with this, so I'm not gonna actually clean that particular area, but I am going to angle my brush so the corner is targeting the stitching only. Go all around. All right. See, I am actually not cutting this off for you guys so that you guys are like, oh yeah, this guy's actually cleaning the shoes. He's not editing this out. This is real. Get to watch all of Leon's boo-boos. Huh, boo-boos. Speaking of boo-boo, I don't even know where Lee is. I hope he's doing good. I hope he's not passed out at home watching all his damn movies. Hope he's alive. All right, I'm almost at the butt area. Here we go. Cleaning the butt ASS area. Just scrubbing that butt. Making sure that I'm actually, again, when I'm going back, do not use the stiff brush on that cheap fake gold painted Louis Vuitton. And there you go. This is just the first round. I'm gonna quickly dry the midsole. Here we go. All right. Now, the next step, remove the freaking laces. And once you remove the laces, I'm going to use the medium brush to just hit that tongue area. I'm gonna skip the step because I'm lazy. And the laces, because they are actually dirty, I'm gonna hand detail it. and then dunk it into a bowl of Dawn solution with cold or warm water. Whatever you want to do, soak it there for about 15 to 20 minutes, and then dry it, let it air dry, and if necessary, repeat. Now, ooh, I gotta be careful. Woo, see what I mean? Open up the flower, the petals right there, that's what I'm doing. That's gonna get a lot cleaner. Do not be afraid to do this because this is where all the fun begins. Oh, I shouldn't do that. I should just be very gentle. Ew. Actually, just throw it in a laundry wash. And then you're good. No, I'm not gonna put this in the laundry wash because I know that I can clean this so much better than the laundry wash. Laundry wash is for lazy people. Rejuvenator. You want to know a faster way to clean the tongue? Just blow on it. Oh. We're back. Don't ever crush ice with your teeth, kids. Now, dip your cloth into the solution and actually hand detail the entire leather upper and then work the midsoles. Okay, this is actually not a trick, but I find that sometimes the brush, it's not gonna get some of the easy dirt off of the leather, and doing this, actually it's better than using a brush. Why did I even bother with this? Rejuvenator, come on. Cleaning, polishing the flower. Oh, there's a lily, there's a rose. Oh man, there's a sunflower. I think sunflowers are yellow. Right, Louis Vuitton. How do you feel? Nice and clean? Good. All right, here is the midsole. I'm gonna give you a quick 360. Where's the right shoe? A little bit of comparison. Check that out. The laces, so much cleaner on this side. All right, didn't touch the bottom. It's a little dirty. I should do it like this. Yeah, this is probably better. Here you go. I don't know if you guys can even see a difference, but this is only my first punch, my second punch. I'm gonna do this all over again. Soft brush, then followed by the medium brush, and then the midsoles. Make sure you use the stiff brush, avoiding this logo, and then hand detailing the entire upper. You don't really have to in the second round, but in case you do happen to miss some of the areas when you're doing the first round, like me, you're lazy, you just, you don't pay attention. But make sure you get this all nice and clean, and then the laces, air dry everything, take a sexy photo, and then you're good to go. I don't feel like cleaning though, I'm kind of lazy. Take a 2-day break. And of course, finish your Guava Ice. Oh. And of course, finish your Guava Ice. Just don't swallow the ice.